Tear it up, dude.
It's in there.
It must smell good or something, huh?
Because it smells like Petco.
Where the pets go.
Hey, wait a minute! You're getting distracted here.
Help me out, Nick. Here it is.
What is that?
Oh.
Yeah, tear it up.
Yeah, there you go.
It's a little duck. That's pretty
He knows what to do with that.
Hey, good boy.
They must spray like scent on those things or something.
I know cats are really into that.
Yeah. The squeak? The squeak?
Give me that. It's mine.
Now you know what's up.
Aw. He's got paper in his mouth.
They chew the paper and play with the duck.
It's like it's fuzzy.
Well, don't tear the fuzz off.
Search and destroy. So what's up?
Oh, he squeaked it finally. There it is. This is mine. You can't have it.
Oh, this is such a nice toy. I love this toy. You've been abusing it. You've been abusing it, Spot. Oh.
Aw.
Yeah, get
Oh.
Hey, Spot. What? Well, no, this is my duck. It's my duck. It's not your duck. What? Oh, you want the duck? You want, oh, okay. He wants the duck. Takes it by the head. Give me that duck.